Looking for expert collision repair in Garden City, New York without the runaround? Paul's Auto Collision is the shop driver's trust for fast, precise, and stress-free repairs. Built from the ground up with advanced equipment and a highly experienced team, our facility is designed to deliver dealership-level quality without the dealership headaches. Whether you've been in a minor fender bender or a major accident, we've got the tools and expertise to get your vehicle looking and driving like new again. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the difference: clear communication, honest advice, and a team that treats your car like their own. We handle everything in-house, including working directly with all insurance carriers, so you're not stuck navigating confusing paperwork or phone calls. Our process is streamlined and transparent, keeping you informed every step of the way. When you need reliable collision repair in Garden City, New York, Paul's Auto Collision is here to get you back on the road with confidence and peace of mind.